5 million Americans would die each year without life-saving blood transfusions. Someone in an automobile accident will need, on average, 50 units of blood. 1 unit contains roughly 350 milliliters. A person donates 1 pint of blood per donation, approximately. There are about 473 milliliters in 1 pint. Therefore, it would take approximately 37 people to provide those 50 units of blood. American Red Cross states that although an estimated 38% of the United States population is able to donate blood, less than 10% actually do each year. There are several different products to donate. There are 4 transfusible products that can be derived from blood. The number 1 reason people donate blood is the opportunity to help others. The 4 transfusible products that can be derived from blood are red cells, platelets, plasma, and cryoprecipitate. Red cells carry oxygen from your lungs to different parts of your body's tissue and takes carbon dioxide back to your lungs to be exhaled. Platelets prevent or stop bleeding. Plasma is a fluid made up of water and vital proteins, and cryoprecipitate is a portion of plasma that is rich in clotting factors, prepared by freezing and thawing the frozen plasma. Blood is made up of 55% plasma, less than 1% of white blood cells and platelets, and 45% red blood cells. Without blood, our bodies would not be able to function. Donated blood goes through a series of processes before it is able to be distributed. After donation, the blood is processed and separated into transfusible products. Then they are sent out for testing. If a test result is positive for an infectious disease, it is discarded and the donor is notified. Donations are then stored and ready to be shipped to hospitals. These steps are taken every time a person donates just 1 pint of blood. 1 pint of blood can help save the lives of 3 people. The number 1 reason that people do donate blood is the opportunity to help others. In the United States, every 2 seconds, someone needs blood. 13.6 million donations are collected every year, with 6.8 million people donating each year. And that comes from the Red Cross statistics. Approximately 36,000 units of red blood cells, 7,000 units of platelets, and 10,000 units of plasma are needed every day in the United States. The universal blood donor is O negative because it is the most wanted type of blood. Whole blood is the most common type of donation and can be made every 56 days. Platelet donations are used in cancer and organ transplant treatments. Plasma donations are collected at the same time platelets are donated. Blood is collected, a machine separates the plasma and returns the red cells and platelets back to the donor. Double red cell donations return most of the plasma and platelets to the donor and play a very important role in maintaining blood supply levels. That also comes from the Red Cross and blood components. Blood instant components do not last forever. Blood does have an expiration date. The shelf life of blood is only 42 days. After 42 days, it does have to be thrown away. And platelet shelf life is only 5 days. It is important to donate blood because it is a vital part of life. Therefore, it will always need to be donated. Red cells, platelets, plasma, and cryoprecipitate are vital products that the human body needs to survive. There are several ways these donations can be made, and their blood is needed every day, and 40,000 donations of blood are used each day in the United States.